Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a very quick flip through of my completed March 2023 Creative Daily Journal. I made this one from, I just found out what this was. I thought it was a placemat. It's a shelf liner for a refrigerator. And I used my cinch and spiral binding. I never finished filling out my food calendar, of course. Here we go. Usually I just put in here little things, like I was knitting this day. I got my Echo Park mystery box. I watched the Murdoch murders. Here was a altered card I did. I read the book Speak. Disturbed the writing retreat. My mom dropped some stuff off, which included clothing. Here's my doggy. I read The Hidden One by Linda Castillo. We started watching History of the World Part 2. Read The Burning Girls. We ran some errands today. On this day, we watched the what the heck is that first word? It's the one with Nick Cage and Pedro Pascal. My son ordered from Popeyes and had Popeyes for the first time. I put in the tag that I did that day. I really love how this tag came out. Read episode 13. Thumbs down. I started watching School Spirits. Very good. I'm really enjoying it. Read Dead Mountain. Oh, I got Qdoba. My son ordered Wendy's for everybody this day, and my food didn't come. So I ordered myself Qdoba. Read The Patient. Here we go. Here's the hashtag Feb and June 5 Monday Taste. Document a go-to fave recipe. It's peanut butter candy cake. It's my grandmother's recipe, and it's amazing. It tastes like, if you know what tasty cake peanut butter candy cakes are, it's spot on. They're delicious, and now I want to make some. I think I have everything I need to make it too. I read The Kind Worth Killing. It was so good. Tuesday, what was the best thing you watched today? All I watch is YouTube, seriously, for the most part. There's only a few shows that I watch. On Tuesdays, I watch Will Trent. If you're a Karen Slaughter fan, Will Trent, love it, so good. I watch School Spirits, that's on a Thursday. I was watching Wolfpack, that's over. I was watching Criminal Minds, that's over. And Next Level Chef with Gordon Ramsay, that's really good too. Wednesday here, spend some time just listening. Spring is here, so all I could hear was birds outside. And I read A Cryptic Clue. I don't remember what I felt about that, so who knows. Here's the carnitas fries from my local diner. It's the only thing I get from the diner. It's fries smothered in cheese and pork and jalapenos, and you get salsa verde and sour cream. It's delicious. And this cake too. It's layers of chocolate cake with cheesecake in the middle. Cheesecake in the middle. So good. And Oreo icing. What's the comfiest item of clothing that you love right now? I live in leggings. Don't we all? I read The Girl from Widow Hills. This has been on my TBR on my shelves in my room for so long, it feels like. What scent reminds you of someone special? Cutout cookies reminds me of my grandmother. This was St. Patty's Day, so we had corned beef and cabbage, and this day was when my printer stopped reading generic ink. It updated, did a firmware update, and that was it. So annoying. I had to buy a new printer. Here we go. Here's our little, I made these in a video, and then I journaled on there. I read Jar of Hearts. People rave about this book, and I'm like, eh. This was day 1 of starting a new workout. I'll have it linked below, my workout. It's on YouTube, and I'm seeing results already, and I'm not even finished with my first 2 weeks. My mother-in-law left for Florida. Here's my journaling. Day 2, I read, and then I decided that didn't make enough of an impact. I'm not going to finish. This was pretty good. The killer was very obvious. I placed my first Temu order. It's still not here. It's out for delivery today. Oh, club sandwich. They're so good. Oh, today my dad went to a new doctor. His doctor's retiring, and all he did was bitch about having a new doctor, but he ended up loving his new doctor. Oh, here is... My son got his cat tree he ordered for his cat. Look how big that thing is. It is huge. Look at that. It reaches almost to the ceiling. It's so big. Another one of those pockets with the hidden journaling. I read this book and another thumbs down. I had a very bad reading month this month. Then I was day 6 of the workout. I read The Kind Worth Saving. Oh, look at this. These are the bumps I get every once in a while. I think I get like an excess of something in my body, and once I start taking probiotics, that doesn't happen anymore, and it doesn't happen for a long time. I read The Kind Worth Saving, which is the book 2 in the series of the one I read earlier in the month, and The Island. My son's PC came today. He was so happy. He ordered a new gaming PC. Here's another altered playing card. If you've seen my shorts, I post a short every day with a new altered playing card, and I'm altering them till I finish up the deck. This says I have absolutely no desire to fit in. Truth. And here's my dog stealing all my bed. He's such a butthead. We started watching Alaskan Killer Bigfoot. I was in a little bit of a depression at this point, and nothing was holding my attention, but this did. Day 9 of workout, I read Someone Is Always Watching by Kelly Armstrong. I gave it 3 stars. It was okay. It wasn't great. It wasn't horrible. This was good, though. I know it's a boxed thing, but I had to try it. It was new. See? New. And I had to try it. Did you hear that? Somebody peeling out. It scared the crap out of me. We got Party Down. I forgot to write that down. I actually got 3 months of stars. And it only cost me $3. Because all I wanted to do was watch the new season of Party Down. That's it. I had a really bad migraine this day. I did absolutely nothing. I didn't even work out. Oh, we got this at Ollie's, this fudge. It was really good. This fake money came from an origami book that I bought my son. He works at McDonald's, and he's like, oh, I just wish I knew origami. So I bought him this so he could do origami with money if he wanted to. So stupid, but it was $3.99. I read The Butcher. This got me out of my little bit of my funk. It was so good. This, yes. I should have bought more. I got it out of Ollie's, and I should have bought more. I love a good caramello. And then here's Gus. Isn't he cute? Such a cutie. My mom got me a selfie ring light. She got it on clearance at Kohl's. So she dropped it off yesterday, and I read The Shadows, and I gave it 4 stars. Also, it was day 246 of a headache. Yes, I've had a headache for 246 days. And then the last page is my book list, which I also never finished filling out. So I think for April, I'm not going to have another book list. I think I want to start book journaling again. And also, I'm not going to do a calendar. I think on my front page, I'm going to do like important dates, you know, things that I need to get for the month. April's crazy. It is my grandmother's birthday, my dad's birthday, my son's birthday, all within a week. The the cat will be 1 year old, and Easter. So it's like everything all at once in April. So I think that's what I might do in my journal in April. I'm not sure yet though. Well, thanks for joining me. Like I said, I just like to do quick ones. I don't need to tell you every little thing I did that day, or else we'd be here forever. Maybe not. Like I said, I don't have a life. So like, subscribe, and yep, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.